Hello, I'm Dr. Sri Banerjee, Core Faculty for the College of Health Sciences and Public Policy at Walden University. And in this lecture, I'm going to be going over how to interpret odds ratio. So for starters, let me go ahead and find the correct pen so that you have an odds ratio. So there's the odds ratio. Let's say you have an odds ratio of 2.1. Let's say the 2.1, the reference, I want to always look at reference. So say the reference is male. So if the reference is, and I'm just going to give the universal sign for male. So if the reference is male, then you're 2.1 times likely female. Now, I'm going to have an outcome variable, which is cardiovascular disease. So if the reference is male, then the females are 2.1 times more likely to get CVD. Females are than males. So females are 2.1 times more likely to get CVD than males. Always ask the question what the reference category is. A lot of students, when they're starting off with the reference category, they'll say that refused or not known is the reference category. Now, first of all, you shouldn't be getting those because you want to be able to clean those and not be able to see that in the analysis. So the next thing is that when you have reference categories, you want to make sure that it makes sense. So in the case of male-female, that makes sense. However, sometimes when you're thinking about education level, that might not be as clear. So the reference category, usually what I do is I have either a college graduate or some college, the highest level as the reference category, so that anything lower, like some high school, can be then determined. If you have a reference category which causes you to get lower than the odds ratio of 1, then that can be troublesome to interpret. So that's just a caveat to keep in mind. I hope this has given you some insight on how to understand odds ratio and how to understand the reference category that corresponds to odds ratio. Thank you for listening.